What is going on, YouTube? So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install a Teraflex CB antenna mount. Let's get to it. Okay, first thing you want to do is you're going to remove your spare tire. I just went ahead and did that. Figured you guys didn't really need to see how that's done. So now we're going to be taking one at a time. Take one of these out. You're going to need a T50 and make sure you only take one at a time. That's the recommendation from Teraflex. So let's get at it. Alright, you guys can see that I've got the Teraflex CB mount back on. We've got the spare tire back on. Now we're going to mount the CB antenna and the CB stud mounts. The antenna I got is a Firestik II and the stud mount was from Firestik as well. So let's get at it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. As you can see, that was a really easy install for the CB mount on the Teraflex antenna mount. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it down below in the comment section. This is a part one of part two. The next video I'm going to be installing the actual CB and the coax cable, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that. If you guys can, please hit the like, subscribe button to help out the channel. I appreciate it. Next month we got a really cool overlanding adventure trip planned to go to Alabama. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, that'll be coming out next month. So till then guys, see y'all later.